So do the technicals suggest even more gains are ahead? Let's bring in Jeff deGraaf. He is chairman and head of technical research at Renaissance Macro. It's good to have you back. I want to play off what I teased earlier. So semis have been ripping. It's been a great story in the market. It's part of the story today. Micron, Broadcom, I highlighted those already. Your charts tell you be careful. Why?
Well, look, I think, and we're not big value players. We find value is useful maybe 10, 15% of the time. But, you know, we're up against, we've had a lot of pull forward. We're up against valuation levels that are similar to 2000, above that on an absolute basis, close to that on a relative basis. And, you know, I just think that we have to be careful on discounting kind of the wide-eyed optimism that's out there right here, right now. These are good charts. Don't get me wrong. These are still uptrends. And if things are expensive and they're uptrends, we'll still own them. But we're obviously tentative on adding money. We're looking for corrections. I think it's going to be a much bumpier road in 2026 because they're priced to perfection than just smooth sailing. And I think there's other opportunities in the market. I think there's plenty of opportunities. I would just be a little bit more careful with the semis right here.
I mean, one of the issues I think that makes it more difficult is that there seem to be a lot of uptrends, right? You look at a lot of sectors that are off to great starts, and maybe that makes some people cautious. Maybe it makes some nervous. But on the other hand, if they're lasting trends, you don't want to miss out either.
100%. Trends are important. And look, I think for longevity in this business, if you're not a trend follower, you won't be here long. That's the way it works. And so you hit the nail on the head, though. There are a lot of uptrends. I think one of the things that's just differentiating 2026 as we see it right here is we're looking for things that are powerful, have breadth, but are just starting to emerge. And I'd say healthcare is one of those areas where we're seeing very, very good trends, very, very good breadth. And I mean, we're talking about having to go back to the late 1970s to find the type of negative alpha generation that's been dominant in healthcare over the last 3 to 5 years. And now these are just starting to wake up. And I think there's a lot of opportunity there. So, you know, we're advising clients that, look, when we get breakdowns, when we see trend changes in tech or some of these extended names that are expensive, use that money to then fund some of these healthcare names that are breaking out and really coming out of these massive base formations that have sustainability.